wins that particular battle as Bata flings it across field for Hotto.
Ngwenya is no slouch, but Siema showed the speed that he possesses.
Mamelodi Sundowns. Some defending to do here though.
Back in the starting lineup, Deon Hotto.
In from Hotto. Amazulu get it clear. He's on the ball again here, Kadebe. Came into this game having one possession, Pirates. Already they were leading in that regard across all the clubs in the division. Amazulu certainly have it in them to come back. Here they did against TS Galaxy.
On this right flank thus far, slowly winning the favour of the coach.
Deon Hotto. Actually quite calmly there. I think the flag was raised. Yes, Betway sought to latch onto that one. He's at 3 goals in the Betway Premiership this season. Deon Hotto. It's the quickest he's ever.
It's an opportunity to now change the order of merit, especially when it comes to Betway Premiership champions.
This came to Apollos. Now Deon Hotto, he's got space. Hotto. Oh, save from Johnson. Well, he took forever to pull the trigger there, even though it was on his left foot. The goalkeeper a chance to recover as the angle continued to close.
A brilliant movement there from Deon Hotto. I think the ball just never sat well for him. The first dummy there, a little bit hesitant there, beating Phyllis, and then
loose touch from Mufuke. Deon Hotto finding Moreni again. It is left for Hotto. He's got it on target. Effectively he is on that right-hand flank. Hanamub on the left now for Amazulu. And Hanamub has been dispossessed by his countryman, who came all the way across from the opposite flank. From this corner, Hotto, Moyen. Deep cross from Deon Hotto. Powerful headed. Mufuke. Just floats it out to the flank, where Hotto runs onto it. Get a clearance from Tetwa. A rare miss in the tested on the 8th of August 2013. Orlando Pirates were actually coming off a 3-0 win over Al Ahly away from home, so they were full of confidence, but they had at that in a game played at the FNB Stadium. So it was a Pirates home game and staged at the ground of their rivals. As Kadebe gets away here from Hotto, works a little bit of space, wins the corner. Bay having knockout semi-final. Deon Hotto, excellent tackle. Here's Mufuke. 7 after the first 14 games, and 2 previous campaigns prior to that. 9 goals conceded after 14 against the Siema. Spotted Deon Hotto. Poor pass from the usually reliable Nkosinathi Sibisi, but Deon Hotto is back for the visitors. Now played into the feet of Betway, who shifts it nicely onto his right, but this evening Deon Hotto. Good feet to get away from Mbandra, and he squeezed it through here for Apollos. Apollos play quickly for King, and the challenge on Marco Polo that's looked a little nasty. Free kick.
I like it when that happens. He never drove around, he just tried to get on with business there, even though there was a hand in the face, which is a cautionable.
A lovely take. Now, can he do something with it? Still has the ball. Finding a teammate. Big deflection behind for a corner.
Took a bit left. Lovely ball played in. Nice touch there from Gwenya. Needed to release it a little bit earlier. There hints of offside. Played on nonetheless, and same shape from Amazulu. 5 at the back, 3 in the middle, and the 2 up front.
Alan gets some distance on that, finding Gwen. Well, it has been Arcazani's subs over the course of both their games in 2026 that have won them those respective matches against TS Galaxy and Marumo Gallants. That point. Number 2 man. Then receiving from the Fouquet. Again, not able to do much with it. Hotto. Flick to Batuma. And not a deft enough touch for Hotto to latch back onto.
Yeah, they asked a little bit too much here, Hotto. Leading Batuma.
Gwenya. Phillies. King. Now Apollos! Only recently. He's resuming that little individual rivalry he has with Makaula at the moment. With goalkeeper time wasted. Makaula. Challenge from Deon Hotto. Looking to set Batuma on his way. Chips off the head of Semilente. Kataba Felix. Nemtajela. Sibisi.
No lack of effort from Amazulu. And Makakola has really been a burst of energy since coming on. Amazulu tried his best. And the Pirates, that's still in the lead.